On January 22, 1973, the U.S. Supreme Court issued a landmark decision in Roe v. Wade, ruling that women have a constitutional right to access abortion. This historic ruling ignited a political and social debate over reproductive rights that has continued for decades. In the early 1970s, abortion laws varied dramatically across the United States, with most states heavily restricting or banning the procedure. Norma McCorvey, known by the pseudonym Jane Roe, challenged Texas's restrictive abortion law, leading to a case that would make its way to the Supreme Court. In a landmark 7-2 decision, the Supreme Court ruled that the constitutional right to privacy extended to a woman's decision to have an abortion. This historic ruling fundamentally changed the landscape of reproductive rights in the United States. The court established a detailed framework based on trimesters, allowing states to regulate but not ban abortion in the first 3 months of pregnancy. This framework aimed to balance the state's interests with the woman's right to choose. Roe v. Wade became a pivotal moment for reproductive rights in America, sparking nationwide debates and mobilizing both supporters and opponents. The ruling has had lasting implications, influencing subsequent legal battles and shaping public discourse on reproductive health. Roe v. Wade did not end the debate over abortion. Instead, it ignited a political firestorm that would burn for decades. Over the next several decades, abortion rights became a central and highly contentious issue in American politics, fueling powerful movements both to protect and to overturn the landmark ruling. The decision mobilized both the pro-choice and pro-life movements, each side growing more organized and vocal, leading to ongoing and intense battles in courts, legislatures, and the streets. These battles have shaped the political landscape, influencing elections, policies, and public opinion across the nation. The debate over abortion rights remains one of the most polarizing and enduring issues in American society. Roe v. Wade remains one of the most controversial and landmark decisions in American judicial history. It has sparked debates and protests for decades, and its impact is still felt today. Its legacy continues to shape the ongoing debate over reproductive rights, influencing legislation and public opinion across the nation. As both sides of the issue fight to determine the future of abortion access in America, the conversation remains heated and deeply personal. Roe's fate and the rights it protected remain at the heart of national political discourse, affecting millions of lives and shaping the future of reproductive health policy. Roe v. Wade transformed the legal landscape for women's reproductive rights in America, sparking a debate that has lasted for nearly half a century. As the future of abortion rights continues to be contested, the legacy of Roe remains a defining issue in the fight for personal freedom and equality. Subscribe Emgotv1.